Magandang araw, magandang buhay mga kaparikoy. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel at Nel Media TV. Ayan mga kaparikoy, mapapanood na natin ang continuation doon sa wedding ceremony ng aming mahal na kaibigan. Pero itong ating mapapanood na video uh, ay isang partial or part lang ng doon sa venue kung ano yung mga nangyari sa loob. Hindi natin ma-upload lahat at hindi natin makukumplito dahil humingi tayo ng consent sa my wedding. Pero privacy kasi yan. So, private nila yon. Hindi natin pwedeng ilabas ang full video doon sa ceremony. So, bali ang ma-upload lang natin ay isang partial at mga video clips at hindi talaga totally, kompleto. So, di bali na, pero natapos pa din natin at may upload pa rin natin ng bahagya. So, tara, panoorin natin.
Isang buo ba?
Britney, napkin with this smart or lipstick. Table napkin.
Table napkin. Nasaan na yung, ano mo? Lagyan mo ng lipstick. Hindi, ito dito. Go! Oh yeah, udah action. Make it. Tanga ka. Go. Nag-lipstick ka na kagad. Dapat kinagat mo.
Okay, next. This is a hard one. Give me a keychain. Bring me a flower for the centerpiece.
Oh, flower, centerpiece ito. Yan.
Next one. Let's take one here out. And
From there. Go, Lara, go!
we have a fun. Okay. Next one. Just one, okay? Perfect. Down. Lovely. Let me just check if we have the right number of chairs. No.
Remove the... Yeah. And they are
See?
fine.
Okay.
They are fine.
Bring me a glass half full of water.
Half full of water. Ah, ito. Half glass. This one. Yeah.
Ang bilis yung lalaki. Yun ang doon sa likod mo.
You are. Okay. Now let's remove another chair. We only have four. We also eliminated the pretty lady over there. Okay, next. Bring me, I don't know if you can get this. Maybe you could. A piece of candy or chocolate. Candy or chocolate.
Candy. Ah.
Good job.
Thank you, Rimmel, for helping with setting up the ceremony and reception area for the hard work this morning. Thank you, Lara, Jeremy, and Jackie for helping as well. And thank you, Ate Desi and Eric for
Tim and Dan, thank you for driving us all over the place today. Really appreciate it.
Thank you to my King's family for helping. And thank you, everyone. I may forget to mention
Maraming salamat sa inyo mga kaprikoy. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa aking mga kwentong buhay Canada. Kaya huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe, likes, and share, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Kaya dito lang sa Buhay Canada!